craving the ultimate off-road adventure? Look no further. Picture this: the roar of your engine echoing through dense forests, mud splattering on your windshield, and the thrill of conquering uncharted terrain. That's mud life overlanding. Feel the adrenaline rush as you navigate through rugged paths, cross over rocky streams, and power through the thickest mud. It's not just a drive, it's a journey where the road ends and the adventure begins. Overlanding isn't just about the destination, it's about the stories you create. Camp under the stars, share tales by the fire, and wake up to breathtaking vistas. Every turn is a new challenge, every mile a new memory, so gear up, fuel up, and join the Mud Life community. Your epic off-road adventure awaits. Don't just watch it, get out there and live it. Subscribe for more overland thrills and tips.